Hi, welcome to this little video of how to clean your LCD. Now I saw someone at work the other day cleaning one of the tellies in the showroom with polish, furniture polish. I was like, God no, what are you doing? Now, this might not be the proper way to do it, this is how I do it. I've never had a problem. Now, I prefer to clean it with the LCD off. That way you can see any marks or anything that's on the screen easier. Now, look at this little brush here. It's like a little retractable brush that comes with a kit that I bought. Now, let's get all the main bits of dust off with it. What's that done? Put you there. Now, this is a bit some people don't like. Got my cleaning solution. We'll find squirt, 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 squirt. Go on for the cloth. Now you can see, because it's off, any parts that you've missed, or any dirt patches, any bits of dirt that you've still on there, you can have another go at it. I prefer to look at it from an angle, especially with a light on it. The light here, see it there, look, that I couldn't see. There you go. That's the way I do it, anyway. Now, just going to quickly show you the process of cleaning the keyboard. There you go, keyboard. There's not much really you can do to clean a keyboard. I mean, you get obviously the brush. And just clean. Dropped it on the floor, look. Professional as always. Get the brush. Just, obviously, that doesn't get all the bits off between the keys. Now, I know you should have the keyboard off when you do this, but good press there. Just get in there. See all that all over the monitor that I've just cleaned. Shot control burst. There we go. A lot. Well, most of the chunk's gone at least, anyhow. There's lots of dust and crap that falls down between your keys. Now, I am going to do a follow-up video of how to clean the case. Now, I have built this system itself a couple of days ago, so there's going to be no dust whatsoever in this at the moment. But if that's something you'd like to see, a quick how-to of how I go about cleaning a water-cooled gaming PC like this, just drop a comment in the comment section below. Any other recommendations for future videos? Why not? Get us asked. We aim to please. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching my video.